The next session of Unit 14, Research Publication and Awards. I'll be talking to you on this aspect today. The very purpose of higher education institution is to create and disseminate knowledge, to equip society with necessary skills and knowledge to solve problems and live a better orderly life. The higher education institutions are places of teachers and scholars, implying to teach what are known and established knowledge and to research and create new knowledge to expand the realm of knowledge that might be needed to solve potential problems. Balancing quality and quantity is a major factor in publication. The number does not matter, the quality does. Evaluating individual scientific performance is essential component of research assessment. The outcomes of such evaluations can play a key role in institutional research strategies, including funding schemes, hiring, firing, and promotions. However, there is little consensus and no internationally accepted standards by which to measure scientific performance objectively. We have to think about publication, ethics, and peer review culture. The mandatory requirement of publications in journals or conference proceedings for award of doctoral degrees and as a metric in evaluating faculty has resulted in proliferation of predatory journals and conferences which have abandoned the classic peer review as a method of quality control. If you look at, you will see that many predatory journals are available in India. If you take the care list, most of the journals which we publish may not be available in care list, UGC care list, because 35% of journals coming in India are actually predatory. So we cannot believe people, believe journals even because of this. So this has come because of the mandatory requirement. So when quality assessment comes, we have to look into only indexed journals, Web of Science or Scopus Index, like that. And if the journal is in the UGC care list, we will consider that. So institution should have proper review and ethics committee to review all the researches. Then research publication and awards indicators. What are the indicators you will be looking at? The institution ensures implementation of its stated code of ethics for research. Once somebody is giving you a research proposal itself, see that this research proposal got ethics committee clearance. Then the institution has a code of ethics for research and implementation which is ensured through the following: inclusion of research ethics in research methodology coursework, then presence of institutional ethics committee, and there should be a plagiarism check method, research advisory committee, incentive for publications who receive state, national and international recognition and awards, number of PhDs awarded per teacher during the last 5 years, number of books and chapters contributed by the faculty. Then institution has a stated code of ethics to check malpractices and plagiarism in research. Institution provides incentive to teachers who receive state, national and international recognition and awards, number of research paper per teachers in journals notified in UGC website during the last 5 years, that is the care list, number of books and chapters in edited volumes of books published and papers in national, international conference proceedings per teacher during the last 5 years, and also all the books ISBN numbered. It should be from the Ministry of Education. You can get ISBN number for the books and journals also to get indexed. Then what are the important metrics for publication and awards? Institution promotes publication of research findings, awards faculty with publications. Then look for the bibliometric indicators such as Thomson and Reuters Web of Science, Scopus, Google Scholar, etc. Then what is bibliometrics? Bibliometrics is the use of mathematical and statistical method to measure scientific output. Thus, they provide a quantitative, not a qualitative assessment of individual research performance. That you can see in your institute. What is your citation index, H-index? Google Scholar will give you the H-index of your institution, how many teachers or how many faculty have published in indexed journals and how many had citations. All this will be coming in that H-index. The most commonly used bibliometric indicators are impact factor, number of citations, new indicators like H-index and G-index, then care reference list, world ranking uses citations. This is very important as a research influence. Then research influence indicator look at universities or HEI's role in spreading new knowledge and ideas. Then as a conclusion, when considering ranking for higher education institution, research publication and awards are given heavy weightage. World ranking of university monitor research influence by capturing the average number of times a university's published work is cited by scholars globally. This factor is very, very important. And you can look for your Elsevier, that is the bibliometric data supplier. Last year, they have looked for more than 86 million citations and 13.6 million journal articles, article reviews and conference proceedings, books and book chapters published over the last 5 years. So you can see how people are looking for the citations for each institute. And even in university ranking also, world ranking of the university, they look for citation indexes. The citations help to show us how much each HEI is contributing to the sum of human knowledge. They tell us whose research has stood out, has been picked up and built on by other scholars, and most importantly, has been shared around the global scholarly community to expand the boundaries of our understanding irrespective of discipline. So remember, research for impact is important. Research, volume, income and reputation are looked into by institutions. In order to encourage excellence, faculty members are given awards of recognition for research publications by many institutions. Today's research landscape requires researchers, research managers and institutions to continually develop more effective ways to inform research strategy and evaluate research activities. Publication, citation, usage data from Scopus, awarded grants, mass media mentions, patent articles, citations, etc. need to be taken care as assessment indicators due in publication and awards process. Thank you.